soul of brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Welcome back to this session is metallurgy. What is the meaning for metallurgy? The complete extraction of pure metals from their ores. This name is called metallurgy. What are the uses for metals? For example, it's a metal used for resist the corrosion. Point number 1. Point number 2, galvanization. Point number 3, electroplating. Point number 4, making the jewels, tendon filling and electrical connectors. Some of the metals and non-metals found in trace amount in living organism. For example, iron is found in hemoglobin, sodium in blood, calcium in bones, magnesium in chlorophyll, manganese, iron, copper present in the chloroplast, iodine present in the sea. These are the importance of metals. How to extract the metal from the earth, from their ore, going to be discussed. Ores is converted into partly concentrated ore by using the concentration. Partly concentrated ore converted into concentrated ore. By using leaching. Concentrated ore converted into impure metal. By using roasting, calcination, smelting and reduction. Impure metal converted into pure metal. By using electrolytic refining. These are the flowchart. First, ores converted into partly concentrated ore by using the concentration. What is the meaning for concentration? It is to removal of gangue or matrix. What is the meaning for gangue? Non-metallic impurities like sand, clay, quartz, rock materials. These are associated with ores. This name is called gangue. Gangue can be removed by using the concentration. Partly concentrated ore converted into concentrated ore by using the leaching and any other technique. For this method, it is used to removal of other minerals. Concentrated ore converted into impure metal by using the roasting, calcination, smelting and reduction by using the air. Impure metal can be converted into pure metal by using the electrolytic refining. These are the flowchart for the extraction of pure metal from their ore. This name is called metallurgy. Is one by one going to be discussed. First one is concentration. Concentration in different types of method. First one is a gravity separation, another one is a electromagnetic separation, Another one is a froth flotation. Another one is a leaching. First method is gravity separation method. These are the four methods. First one is a gravity separation method. Gravity separation method, another name called as hydraulic washing. What is the uses for this method? This method used for concentration of oxide and carbonate ore. This method based on the different specific gravities of ores and gangue. First, powdered ore feed into stream of running water. These are in two-way. Lighter impurities are washed away. Another one, heavier ore particles left behind. It is a powdered ore, is a feed into stream of running of water. These are in classified into two-way. Lighter impurity particles are washed away, heavier ore particles left behind. This method known as gravity separation method, another name hydraulic washing, washing the stream of water. Another one is electromagnetic separation. This method used to concentrate the hematite and the chromite ore. Chromite formula FeOCr2O3. This one, ores of iron. This one, ores of chromium. This can be separated by using the electromagnetic separation. Electromagnetic separation used for concentration of hematite chromite ore. Hematite formula Fe2O3, this is ores of iron. Chromite formula FeO.Cr2O3, this is ores of chromium. What are the process? Here, ore particles and impurities made up of magnetic nature are passed over the two magnetic roller, from which ore particle and magnetic impurity can be separated as two different cubes. This method known as electromagnetic separation. Another method is Froth flotation process. This method used for concentration of sulfide ores. For examples, powdered ore treated with water plus collector example, pine oil and sodium ethyl xanthate plus Froth stabilizer. Examples, aniline C6H5 NH2. This powdered ore treated with water, collector pine oil and sodium ethyl xanthate, Froth stabilizer is what? Aniline. These are formed by the Froth. So Froth formed by blowing air. This formation of Froth can be classified in two types. Lighter ore particles are carried to surface by foam. Heavier impurity particles to sink to bottom. These are the Froth formed. Lighter ore particles are carried up to the surface by foam. Heavier impurities or particles sink to the bottom. This can be easily separated. This process known as a Froth flotation process. Another method is a leaching. Leaching, another method, chemical method. This method used for concentration of ores of aluminium, silver and gold. Silver symbol Al is what? Aluminium symbol Al, silver symbol Ag, gold symbol Au. What is the treatment? Powdered ore treated with suitable reducing agent. These are can be classified two way. Ores are dissolved and recovered by chemical method. Here, heavier impurity undissolved. This can be separated or removed by the filtration. This method known as leaching or chemical method used for concentration of ores of aluminium, silver and gold. Powder ore is treatment with suitable reducing agent. These are classified in two ways. Ores first dissolved in water or solution, then recovered by the chemical method. Heavier impurities undissolved. This can be removed or filtered by the filtration. This process known as a leaching process. Examples: leaching of aluminium from bauxite ore. Bauxite formula Al2O3 dot 2 times of water. For example, Al2O3 react with suitable reducing agent NaOH. Temperature maintained at 150 degrees Celsius to formation of NaAlO2 plus water. Sodium meta-aluminate. This is a balance equation. Here 2 aluminium, here 1 aluminium 2 times, sodium 2 times, dot 2 times of water. Here 4 hydrogen, here 3 hydrogen, the 3 times. Here sodium meta-aluminate undergo dilution with water to formation of AlOH thrice NaOH. This one formed as a precipitate. AlNaOH. So balance equation is 1A, 1 aluminium. Hydrogen is what? 3 times. Here 2 times. So 2 times of Na, 2 times. Hydrogen here is 6 hydrogen. Here is what? 2 hydrogen. Totally 8 hydrogen. Here 4 times. Oxygen here 4, here 4. Here is what? 6. Here 2 is what? 8. Filter this compound aluminum hydroxide precipitated can be filtered or tried removal of all the impurities. AlOH thrice maintain the temperature 1000 degrees Celsius to formation of Al2O3 plus water. This one pure alumina. This process known as Payes process. What is the uses for this process? Impure bauxite ore converted into pure alumina by using the suitable reducing agent. Is a bauxite ore react with NaOH to formation of sodium meta-aluminate. Sodium meta-aluminate undergo dilution with water to formation of aluminum hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide is precipitated, can be filtered and tried, maintain the temperature 1000 degrees Celsius to formation of pure alumina. What is the process? This process known as is what? Bayes process. Impure ore converted into pure ore. Leaching of silver from their ores. silver present in the argentite, treatment with sodium cyanide ratio 0.6 to 0.4 percentage. Here, silver present in the argentite dissolved with sodium cyanide to form the soluble complex. Here, silver valency 1. Valency 1 means coordination number 2. If valency 2 means coordination number 4, valency 3 means coordination number 6. This topic can be explained in the coordination chemistry. But here, sodium valency 1, coordination number 2. And the side product, sodium sulfide. Here 3 sodium, here is only 1 sodium, silver is a 2, so 2 times, totally is a 4 sodium, 4 cyanide. Complex. This name sodium argento cyanide complex. This complex treated with more electropositive metal like zinc. Zinc displaces the silver. Zinc valency 2, coordination number 4, so Na2 plus silver formed as a precipitate. Here 2 sodium, 2 sodium, 2 silver, 2 silver. Cyanide is a 4, 4 cyanide is a zinc displaces the silver, silver formed as a precipitate. This silver is purification by electrolytic refining. These are the method for concentration of ores. First method, gravity separation. Another method, electromagnetic separation. Another method, flotation. Another method, leaching. So by using this concept, one more question may be asked. Which of the following method used to concentrate the sulfide ore? Option 1, gravity separation. Option 2, electromagnetic separation. Option 3, flotation. Option 4, leaching. Answer is flotation process. Next one, reduction of concentrate ore converted into oxide. There are different methods. First one is roasting. Second one is calcination. Third one is smelting. Fourth one is reduction. There are 4 methods. Reduction of concentrated ore converted into oxide. First one is roasting. What is the meaning for roasting? Concentrated ore is treated with the regular supply of air. To formation of oxide. For example, zinc sulfide undergo treated with oxygen by using the particular temperature to formation of zinc oxide and SO2. This is sulfide ore treated with oxygen by using the particular temperature to formation of oxide. Balance the equation. 2 times, here 2 times, 2 sulfur oxygen 4, here 2, 3 times. It's a sulfide ore converted into oxide. This process known as roasting. Another one is a calcination. Here carbonate or hydroxide or hydrates or treated with absence of air or limited supply of air to form the oxide. For examples, calcium carbonate treated with oxygen to formation of calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Another one is a hydroxide, Al OH thrice heated to formation of Al2O3 plus water. Balance equation. Here calcium, here 1 calcium, carbon, oxygen 3, here 1 plus 2, totally 3. Equation should be balanced. Carbonate ore converted into oxide. Another one is a hydroxide ore converted into oxide and liberation of water. Balance equation 2 times of aluminium is 3 times oxygen, okay, 3 times of water. This method known as calcination. Another method is what? Smelting. What is the process for this one? Reduction of metallic oxide by using the suitable reducing agent on heating to form crude metal or molten metal. Fe2O3 treated with carbon monoxide, maintain the temperature 400 degrees Celsius to formation of Fe plus CO. Here 2 ion, here also 2 ion, oxygen 3, here 3 times, here 3 times. Carbon monoxide converted into oxygen. Here 3 oxygen, here 3 oxygen, so 3 into 2, 6 oxygen. Equation should be balanced. This process is known as smelting. The process in which reduction of metallic oxide by using the suitable reducing agent on heating to formation of crude metal, that is a molten state. This process is known as smelting. Another one is a reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. There are different types of reduction. There are 3 types. First one is chemical reduction. Second one is auto reduction. Third one is electrolytic reduction. There are 3 types of reduction. First one is chemical reduction. In the chemical reduction, there are different types of elements used as a reducing agent. For example, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, aluminium, magnesium. These are act as a reducing agent, reduce some other metallic oxide converted into metal. That metal known as crude metal or molten state. First one, carbon act as reducing agent. Reduce for Bb, mercury, tin, copper, etc. For example, PbO react with the carbon using particular temperature to formation of Bb plus carbon monoxide. Here carbon acts as a reducing agent, reduce the metallic oxide, that is a lead oxide converted into lead. 1 Bb, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen. Here carbon acts as a reducing agent. Carbon is reduced only for the lead, mercury, Sn, copper. Does not reduce the silver and some other component. Because of this one explained by the Ellingham diagram. Is in the Ellingham diagram depends upon the delta G and the temperature value. Highest temperature is a value, highest delta G, that is a more and more electronegative value, more reactive, easy to reduce the some other metallic oxide converted into metal. Second one, carbon monoxide acts as reducing agent. Only for Fe3O4 treated with the carbon monoxide, maintaining the particular temperature, so 400 degrees Celsius, to formation of Fe plus CO2. Here 3 hydrogen, oxygen is what, 4 times. So 4, here is the 4, is a 8 oxygen, here 4 oxygen is a metallic oxide converted into metal. Here carbon monoxide acts as a reducing agent for the particular ores of iron, cannot reduce lead, mercury, tin, copper. This one explained by the Ellingham diagrams. Another one is a hydrogen. So most probably the equation hydrogen does not act as a reducing agent is a difficult, but in some cases hydrogen acts as is what a reducing agent, because of hydrogen is what inflammable gases easily evaporated. For examples, tungsten oxide react with the hydrogen by using the particular temperature to form tungsten and a removal of water. Here is a 3 times of oxygen. Here is a 6 times 3 7. Here hydrogen acts as a reducing agent for the particular metallic oxide. Some other metallic oxide cannot use it as a reducing agent as a hydrogen. In the particular reaction only, hydrogen acts as a reducing agent, reduce the metallic oxide converted into metal, this being tungsten. Another one is aluminium. Here 2 aluminium, 2 times 2. Here aluminium acts as a strong reducing agent for the particular chromic oxide. Some other metal cannot act as a reducing agent. Aluminium reduces the chromic oxide, converted into chromium is a heat energy liberator. This liberation of heat energy, this reaction known as exothermic reaction. Here aluminum acts as a strong reducing agent. Exothermic reaction means some amount of heat liberated when aluminum reduces the chromic oxide converted into chromium. This method known as aluminum thermic process or Cold-Smith process. Another one, magnesium acts as reducing agent. For example, titanium tetrachloride react with magnesium is heated in the presence of atmosphere argon to formation of titanium plus magnesium chloride. Here titanium valency 4, so TiCl4. Here reduction of metallic halide by using the more reactive metals like magnesium or calcium or sodium. Alkali metal and alkaline earth metal act as a reducing agent. Is a titanium tetrachloride converted into titanium and magnesium chloride, magnesium valency 2, so to formation of MgCl2. This process known as a roll process. There are different types of reduction. First one is roasting, another one is calcination, another one is smelting, another one is reduction. So roasting is a concentrated ore converted into oxide by using the regular supply of air. Calcination, carbonate or hydroxide or hydrate ore is treated with the absence of air to form the oxide. Another one is a smelting, metallic oxide treated with a suitable reducing agent to formation of crude metal. Another one is a reduction. Reduction can be classified in different types: chemical reduction, auto reduction, electrolytic reduction. This chemical reduction is a carbon act as a reducing agent, carbon monoxide act as a reducing agent, aluminium act as a reducing agent, hydrogen act as a reducing agent, magnesium act as a reducing agent. All are examined for chemical method. One more question may be asked: which of the following is a hydrate is used as a water method for treatment? For example, roasting, calcination, another one is smelting, another one is reduction. Best example for the calcination. Calcination method treatment for hydrated ore converted into oxides. Another one, auto reduction. Certain case, no reducing agent can be used. Here, sulfides of less reactive metal easily converted into oxide. This oxide react with the part of the ore converted into metals. For example, MgS, this undergo oxidize to formation of HgO plus SO2. HgO treated with the parts of the magnesium sulfide to formation of Hg plus SO2. In this reaction, no reducing agent used. Here, sulfides of less reactive metal undergo oxidize to form metallic oxide and SO2. Balance the equation. Here 2 times, here 2 times, sulfur is 2 times, oxygen 4, here 2, 3 times. Here 2 oxygen, SO2, sir 3 mercury. Yes, this name cinnabar, extraction of mercury from the cinnabar is converted into is what mercury plus SO2. Here there is no reducing agent used. Part of the ores react with the metallic oxide converted into metal. This process known as auto reduction or self electrolytic reduction method. In this method takes place there are 2 steps: reduction at a high temperature in the absence of water, reduction at a low temperature in the presence of water. In the presence of water, another name called as hydrometallurgy. So electrolytic reduction, there are two types. Reduction at high temperature in the absence of air, in the absence of water, air or water. This method mainly used for extraction of alkali metal and alkaline earth metals. Reduction at a low temperature in the presence of water, another name called as a hydrometallurgy. This method mainly used for extraction of silver, gold by the McArthur Forest cyanide process. These are the reduction method. Reduction of concentrated ore converted into oxide. There are different types: roasting, calcination, smelting, reduction. Reduction further classified into different type: chemical reduction, auto reduction, that is a self reduction. Another one is last one is electrolytic reduction.